Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kylie. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified every single time I upload. I'm starting by priming my face using my e.l.f. primer, and I'm gonna apply this on my cheeks, nose, and forehead. I'm taking my translucent powder from Milani, and I am just going to apply this on my face, pressing the powder into my skin to smooth out my pores and make my makeup last longer. To prime my eyes, I'm using my Maybelline concealer in the shade Tan. To blend my concealer, I'll be using this brush from Shein. They actually have really good brushes, so if you're new to makeup and you want to get some brushes, you should definitely check them out. And I'm gonna be going on top of my eyelids with my L'Oreal concealer just to lighten the base a bit. For eyeshadow today, I will be using this S'mores palette from Makeup Revolution. I'm going in with the shade Broken Biscuit, and I'm taking a fluffy blending brush from the It's My Rare brush set, and I am just going to use this as my transition color. I'm taking the shade Dripping in Chocolate and a Wet n Wild crease brush, and I am just going to pack this all over on my lid. I'm taking the shade Dessert and a flat shader brush, and I am just going to pack that all over on my lids. When doing a smoky eye, it's very important that you build a shadow up gradually instead of starting off very dark in the beginning. You also don't want to bring the dark shade too far up in your crease. Using the same blending brush from earlier, I'm just going in and making sure there's no harsh lines between the eyeshadows. For foundation, I'm taking my Makeup Revolution stick foundation, I think it's called, and to blend that out, I'm using my e.l.f. blurring foundation brush. This is bomb and you need it in your life. Also going in with my Maybelline foundation because the Makeup Revolution one is a little too dark for me, and I hate that this foundation does not have a pump. It's so annoying, but other than that, the foundation is pretty okay. To highlight my face, I'm using my Maybelline concealer. I'm placing this under my eyes, forehead, and chin. I'm also gonna put a little bit of my L'Oreal concealer on top of it to give me fuller coverage. All the products used in this video will be in the description box, so be sure to check it out. Taking my Black Radiance loose powder and the same sponge, and I am just going to press this powder into my skin. When using this powder, it's so important that you press it in instead of trying to bake or do too much, because I realize it does leave a little bit of a cast if you do not set it properly. For contour, I'm taking my Makeup Revolution palette and this Wet n Wild blush brush, and I am just going to carve out my cheeks, forehead, and jawline. To bronze, I'm taking this Black Radiance palette and I'm using the Sculpt shade, and I am just going to go over the areas that I contoured to add some warmth back to my face. I feel like contouring can be a little too harsh sometimes. I'm also using the e.l.f. tapered blending brush to bronze my face. Using the same bronzer, I'm going to bronze up my nose. Taking this BH Cosmetics brush, it's a smudger brush from the It's My Rare collection. I'm going in with the shade Broken Biscuit and running that on my waterline. I'm also going in with some black eyeliner to tie the eye look together. By the way, you have sensitive eyes like me. Every single time that I put on eyeliner, my eyes water so bad. I'm taking a brown eyeliner and I am running this on my lash line. I really wanted my eyes to be smoked out, but I didn't want it to be too dark, so this created the perfect look. Taking this angle brush from BH Cosmetics and using my pomade, I am just going to fill out my brows. I never do my brows on camera, but this is a great drugstore pomade. It really gets my brows snatched. I love it, and it's waterproof. To define the shape of my brows, I'm taking my Morphe brow pencil. This is only $5. It's not drugstore, but it's cheap, sis. Like, you can't beat the price. And it's bomb. For blush, I'm taking this BH Cosmetics blush palette, and I'm taking the pink shade and a e.l.f. blush brush. That was a tongue twister. And I am just going to add color back to my face. I am obsessed with this blush palette. It is so bomb. Like, BH snapped when they made this product. Using a dark brown liner from Dollar Tree, I'm going to line my lips. And for lipstick, I'm going to be using my NYX Suede lipstick. For lip gloss, I'm using my Milani gloss in the shade Soft Rose. I absolutely love this lip gloss. It's the perfect nude for black people. I'm going in with this Makeup Revolution gloss. It is bomb and it smells so good, but I really love the color of this lip gloss. Now I'm taking Claire lip gloss to make my lips even more poppin'. This completes the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye!